Carolyn, Presenter Stage, coming to you once again with another tutorial. Today I am going to teach you guys how to make a decorated room bundle. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to your chat rooms and you want to create a chat room. So we're going to click that. And you want to make yourself a new public room. And I'm going to call it Passionate Sweet Bundle. Okay, 10. The room is public. My bundle is AP, so it has to require an access pass. I'm not going to put a picture up there right now because I just want to make the room bundle. And you go down to the room that you want to make a bundle. And I want the Passionate Lover Suite. And my language, English, blah, 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 whatever. And you create your room. The room cannot be made available since it's... Oh, I had clicked require access pass. Okay, there we go. Now, once you have that, you're going to click edit once again. And once you do that, you'll see right here it says click here to publish this room as a furnished bundle. So you click that. And then this link will pop up. And it's thinking. There we go. It's already under decorated rooms. Passionate Lover Suite. For right now, I'm just going to put a little dot right there. It's access pass. You don't have to do anything with the derivation cost because everything is already in the decorated room bundle. The cost of the bundle is $10,572. For right now, I am going to just use my generic little thing, and this is for both male and female. We don't want it to be derivable. We don't want it to be bundleable. You want to put in your keywords. So I'm going to use honeymoon. If you're using 2 words in it, you need to if you're using 2 words on one line, you need to put it in parentheses. Valentine's Day. Champagne. Poses. Animation. Think. Oh, candles. Sex, because yeah, sex. Sensual. It does have ambient sound in there, so ambient sound. Did I misspell that? I guess I didn't. Move. Let me think. I'm thinking. Ignore that. I used that when I made a clothing bundle, so move that out of the way. So bed, kissing. There we go. So we got that. We want it to be visible. Click submit. Boom. And you have a fully decorated room bundle. Everything that's in the room that we just made is in the bundle right here. All you have to do now is make your icon, because for some reason it automatically puts the actual room icon up there. So just take your pictures, and if you want to, you can add your HTML HTML. I like to do videos for mine, but making videos is a whole nother class. But yeah, that's how you make a room bundle. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, bye guys. Until next time.